Welcome to the effort of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first we should open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on the settings icon, and you will see after that this down section with invisible icons. So now if you want to add some options from here, you should just hold the icon, and after that you can drag it here to the up section by this way. And if you want to remove some icons from here, you just by the same way hold and drag the icon to the down invisible section here. And if you want to just change these positions, so just hold and drag the icons. You can see that so simple to do. And to change all the changes, to save all the changes, you should go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.